Many people over Rumty struggle with sleep. Nights can be filled with tossing, turning, waking up too early, or lying awake with a restless mind. It is easy to feel like deep, refreshing sleep is a thing of the past. But the truth is, restful sleep can return with the help of simple, natural habits that guide the body and mind into a state of calm. These are not complicated, and they do not require pills or gadgets. They are gentle steps that you can do each night, and together they create the perfect conditions for deep rest. The first habit is the warm water ritual. About 15 minutes before going to bed, sip half a glass of warm water, not cold and not room temperature, but warm. Warm water supports smooth circulation, helps the heart work with less strain, and sends a calming signal to the body that it is safe to rest. It also soothes digestion, which can reduce bloating or heaviness after dinner, allowing the stomach to settle and the mind to relax. Just a small amount is enough. Um, Too much water may send you to the bathroom during the night, but a few slow sips, about 150 milliliters, prepare your body for a peaceful night. The second habit is releasing tension from your lower back. Our lower back works hard throughout the day. It supports our posture, helps us move, and often carries hidden stress. By bedtime, this tension can keep the body from fully relaxing. Sitting comfortably or lying in bed, place your hands on your lower back and rub gently in small circles for about 2 minutes. Feel the warmth from your palms sink into the muscles. This simple massage eases tightness, improves blood flow, and encourages the release of endorphins, the body's natural calming chemicals. When the lower back lets go, the rest of the body follows, making it easier to sink into sleep. The third habit is calm breathing. Breathing is something we do without thought, yet how we breathe makes a big difference. To prepare for sleep, practice belly breathing. Lie down, place one hand on your stomach, and inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise like a soft balloon. Hold for a moment, then exhale gently through your mouth, letting the belly fall. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Each breath slows the heart rate, quiets racing thoughts, and signals the nervous system to relax. Stress begins to fade, and the mind becomes ready for rest. The fourth habit is showing kindness to your feet. The soles of the feet are full of energy points that connect with the rest of the body. One special spot in the middle, known in Eastern traditions as the Yongquan Point, is especially powerful for circulation and relaxation. Gently massaging the feet for just a couple of minutes each night warms the body, releases fatigue, and helps you drift off more easily. The warmth spreads upward, creating a cozy sensation that tells the body it is time to sleep. The fifth habit is gentle leg flutters. Heavy or restless legs are common as we age, often caused by slower circulation. This discomfort can easily disturb sleep. To ease it, lie flat, lift your legs slightly, and flutter them up and down about 20 times. The movement is small but surprisingly effective. It lightens the legs, prevents cramps, improves blood flow, and creates a soothing sense of relief. In just a minute, the legs feel lighter, warmer, and ready for stillness. The sixth habit is a belly massage for digestion. As we grow older, digestion often slows down and bloating or constipation can interfere with sleep. To help the stomach, try a gentle clockwise massage. Place your hand on your abdomen and move in slow circles following the direction of the clock about 20 to 30 times. This supports the natural flow of digestion, eases discomfort, and helps the body feel comfortable and calm before sleep. It also lowers stress and promotes a peaceful state of mind. The seventh habit is a calming scalp massage. The very top of the head holds important nerve points and is closely connected to mental stress. Using your fingertips, massage small circles at the crown of the head, then gradually move outward. This simple act relieves tension, improves circulation, and helps the mind let go of worry. It is a gentle way to quiet the thoughts of the day and prepare the brain for deep rest. Taken together, these 7 habits, sipping warm water, massaging the lower back, practicing calm belly breathing, massaging the feet, Fluttering the legs, circling the belly, and massaging the scalp are like a toolkit for peaceful sleep. None of them take more than a few minutes, yet their effects are powerful. They calm the body, ease the mind, improve circulation, and release the hidden stress that keeps so many people awake. Sleep is not just about rest, it is the foundation for healing, for restoring energy, and for feeling alive each morning. With these gentle practices, deep, refreshing sleep can become a natural part of life again, even after 50. Each night is an opportunity to give yourself the gift of rest, to let the body repair, and to wake up renewed.